Hi there, Yossi here for OpusFlow. In this new series of videos, I'm going to start right from the beginning and walk you through the platform. So let's start with homepage. So this is what you see right after you log into your OpusFlow environment. As you can see, on the top right corner, you have the settings where you can change the mode, contrast, layout, and other settings. Then, very importantly, you have the changelog button. So if you click on this button over here, you'll be directed to OpusFlow's changelog where you can see all the updates and new features. Next to it, you have the notifications button. And as you can see, this one, if you click on it, you're able to change the language of the environment. On the left side here, you have all different modules, and if you click on each of these modules, a little menu opens up and you can just navigate through different parts of the environment. And as you can see at the bottom here, you have updates and support, and if you click on this button over here, from this open menu, you're able to go to knowledge base. Over here, you can see all the product updates, as well as contact information for our support team. Right in the middle, you have the calendar where you can see all your calendar entries. Over here, you have all the tickets you've been assigned to. At the bottom, all the projects, so it's easy to keep track of your projects. And over here, the hour registration. Let's go to the next video and see what else is there to show you.